Hey guys, so for um, Unit 6 of Language Arts, you have to write an informational book report. So if you don't have a nonfiction book at home, because it has to be nonfiction, it can be anything like books about animals. I used to have a lot of books about fish and things that taught me about that, um, dolphins, animals, anything like that. Or maybe my brother used to have a lot of books about games, teaching them how to play the game and like cheat codes and things. Anything that is nonfiction. Okay. If you don't have that, you all have internet. That's why you're in this class. Uh, you can find an article. Make sure that the article is. Do not use Wikipedia. Find a science article about animals or about something that you're interested in. Just make sure it's nonfiction. So, what you need to include on the lesson where you start your book report, it has like a template. I'm going to kind of go over that. You don't have to use that template. What you have to have in your opening is the name of the book or the article, the author, and the genre. Okay? Um, it has to be a nonfiction book or article. We already talked about that. It wants you to list off the parts of the book. When it says parts of the book, that is in lesson 4. So, or the article. So if it has any of those parts, you need to tell that it has those parts. The next part, you need to tell the purpose for reading this book / article. Why did you read this? To learn more about fish, or to learn how to play the game, to inform yourself about something, to why did you read that? Your purpose. And then you need to explain that. And was the article or book effective? Would you recommend this article or book to somebody else? Why or why not? Then you have to choose 3 questions that you want to answer about the book or article, and those questions are also from lesson 4. So once you get finished watching this video, you might need to go back to that lesson to check those things out. Then that's all it asks for that lesson. But by the end of the unit, you have to finish your book report, and that's not all that is required for the book report. Also on lesson 4, it has the rubric. And after all of those things that we just went over, you also have to have a 90-plus word summary of the book or the article and the author's purpose. So you're going to tell what you just learned about it, what is in the article or in the book, and the author's purpose for writing that. Then you have to have a 75 to 80 word of your own opinion and comments about the book. Don't ramble on something else. It has to be about the book. I love this book. It really taught me a lot about XYZ. I really found this part interesting, stuff like that. And then at the bottom of that, it says that you have to have 5 to 7 notes with page numbers. If you used an article, just do the line number. That's all I've got. I just figured for all of these writings, I will make a video to explain it a little bit better, because I think you'll have at least one writing per unit. Okay? Bye.